everyone. This Women's Day at PTB ICSE, we asked all our teachers to describe womanhood using an adjective that begins with the first letter of their names. Let us see what they chose.
I'm Mrs. Rohini Nantekar. Womanhood for me is being resourceful.
Hi, I'm Arunima, and womanhood to me is audacious.
Hello, I am Madhu Anand. For me, womanhood is maturity.
Hello, I'm Rashmi. Womanhood for me is being rooted.
Hi, my name is Miss Vilma. Womanhood for me is a wonderful journey.
नमस्ते, मैं रचना. नारित्व मेरे लिए रक्षक है.
My name is Sapna. Womanhood for me is sanity.
My name is Seema. Womanhood for me is strength.
मम नाम सुमना अस्ति. नारित्वम समर्पण भाव युक्तम अस्ति.
My name is Ruby. Womanhood to me is kaleidoscopic.
3. I'm Rajshri. Womanhood for me is resolve.
Hi, my name is Dhruvi Thakur and womanhood for me is dedication.
I am Chetna and womanhood for me is charming.
Myself, Torin Almeida. Womanhood for me is farsighted.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव रेश्मा. माझ्यासाठी स्त्रीत्व म्हणजे रंग भरलेले आयुष्य.
नमस्ते, मी विनीता. माझ्यासाठी स्त्रीत्व म्हणजे विश्वास.
नमस्कार, मी ज्योती. माझ्यासाठी स्त्रीत्व म्हणजे चित्त.
Hello, my name is Sneha Rajwade and womanhood for me is spirit.
My name is Jasma. Womanhood for me is justness.
My name is Sejal and womanhood for me is steadfastness.
3.
Hi, my name is Alicia. Womanhood to me is an adventure.
My name is Gloria and womanhood for me is glorious.
Hello, my name is Ramna Krishna. According to me, womanhood means righteousness.
Hi, my name is Sheetal and womanhood for me is strong.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम संगीता है. नारित्व मेरे लिए संकल्प शक्ति है. धन्यवाद.
Hi, this is Deepa. And for me, womanhood means being dynamic.
Hi, this is Priyanka. For me, womanhood is perseverance.
नमस्कार, माझं नाव निकिता आणि माझ्यासाठी स्त्रीत्व म्हणजे नवचैतन्य.